When it comes to maintaining your vehicle's transmission system, having the right parts in place is essential for ensuring long-term performance and preventing leaks. The transmission drain plug is a crucial component that should not be overlooked, and this direct replacement part is designed to match the dimensions and function of the factory plug on specified vehicle years, makes, and models. It is the ideal solution if your original drain plug is damaged or lost during service, providing you with a reliable replacement that restores functionality to your transmission. Crafted from high-quality materials, this drain plug is engineered for durability and reliable performance. It features a strong magnet that helps capture metal shavings and debris, ensuring that your transmission fluid stays clean and free of contaminants. This magnetic feature also adds to the longevity of your transmission by preventing wear and tear on critical components. Whether you're replacing a worn-out plug or performing regular maintenance, this part is built to last and provide a secure seal to prevent any fluid leakage. One satisfied customer shared their experience of using this drain plug on their 2013 Honda Civic. While they didn't necessarily need to replace their old drain plug, they found that the original was in poor condition, so they decided to replace it with this high-quality replacement. They were impressed by the strength of the magnet and the overall quality of the plug. To ensure this drain plug fits your exact vehicle, simply input your make, model, and trim level into the Amazon Garage tool before purchasing. This guarantees that you're getting the right part for your specific vehicle, ensuring a perfect fit and smooth operation. If you're looking for a durable, reliable replacement for your transmission drain plug, this part is the perfect solution. Click the link in the description to purchase it today and keep your transmission system running smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and product reviews.